If you're a beginner guitar player, chances are you're making at least one of these mistakes right now. And trust me, I know because I've made every single one of them. When I started playing guitar, I thought I was getting pretty good because I could play Smoke on the Water, Iron Man, Enter Sandman. But then somebody would hand me an acoustic guitar and ask me to play something and I completely freeze. Or I'd try to play with another musician and realize I couldn't keep time to save my life. These mistakes honestly held me back for years, so if you're learning guitar right now, hopefully this video saves you some time. Let's start with the biggest one. Number 1, learning riffs instead of learning songs. Because riffs are fun, they're recognizable, and they make you feel like you're actually playing guitar. I did the exact same thing. I learned Smoke on the Water, I learned Iron Man, I learned Seven Nation Army, I learned Enter Sandman, and I thought I was becoming a guitarist. The problem? I only knew the cool part. I couldn't actually play the song. I couldn't play the verses, I couldn't play the rhythm sections, I couldn't play the chord progressions. I only knew the riff everybody knows. And that's a trap. Because eventually, you realize you've learned 50 riffs but can't actually sit down and play an entire song. So my advice, still learn riffs because riffs are awesome, but every once in a while, force yourself to learn an entire song from beginning to end. Even if it's simple, because that's what actually teaches you how songs are put together. Number 2, only practicing what you're already good at. This one is brutal because it feels like practice, but it really isn't. Let's say you know Enter Sandman. Every day you sit down, you play Enter Sandman. You nail it, feels great, and then you play it again, and again, and again, and 6 months later, you're still playing Enter Sandman. But you haven't actually improved much. You're just maintaining a skill you already have. And I still catch myself doing this. For me, it was songs like Fade to Black. I could sit there and play that song forever because it feels good, but that's not where growth happens. Growth happens when you're struggling, when you're learning something new, when you're making mistakes, when you're messing up. So next time you practice, spend less time proving what you can do and spend more time working on what you can't do. Number 3, thinking expensive gear will fix your playing. Every guitarist goes through this phase. You see some guy online, he's got a $3,000 guitar, a giant amp, a pedal board that looks like a spaceship, and you think, maybe that's what I'm missing. I thought that too, but here's the truth. The best players I know can make a cheap guitar sound good, and the worst players I know can make a $5,000 setup sound terrible. Gear is fun, I love gear, but gear doesn't replace practice. And honestly, I'd rather see a beginner with a cheap guitar they play every day than an expensive guitar that's collecting dust. Honestly, a lot of beginners would benefit more from upgrading their amp than upgrading their guitar. Number 4, never playing with other people. This one changed everything for me. For years, I played by myself and I thought I sounded pretty decent. And then I played with a drummer and suddenly I realized I wasn't keeping time nearly as well as I thought. Playing alone is forgiving and playing with a band isn't. You have to listen, you have to adapt, you have to recover when you make mistakes, you have to stay locked in. And honestly, playing with other musicians is one of the fastest ways to improve. You don't even need a band. Play with a friend, play with your cousin, play with somebody from school, anything. Because music is meant to be played with people. Number 5, playing everything at full speed. Here's something beginners do all the time. They learn a riff, then immediately try to play it at full speed. Master of Puppets is a perfect example. Play it too fast before you're ready, and it sounds terrible. But if you slow it down, way down, you actually learn it correctly. The funny thing is, people think slowing down means you're getting worse. It's actually the fastest way to get better. Every good guitarist practices slower than performance speed. Every single one. If I can remember, there's a clip out there of Post Malone playing guitar. He's playing Cliffs of Dover, and everyone's commenting saying how slow he's playing it. But honestly, that's the way to do it. He's hitting all the notes and he's playing it right. So what's the issue? Number 6, ignoring chords. This was probably my biggest mistake. I wanted to play metal, so I didn't care about chords. I wanted riffs, I wanted solos, I wanted heavy stuff. And because of that, my rhythm playing suffered, my songwriting suffered, my understanding of music suffered. The reality is, most songs are built on chords, even heavy songs. If you understand chords, you understand why riffs work, why songs work, why progressions sound good. You don't need to become an acoustic campfire guitarist, but trust me, learn your basic chords, and in future you will thank you. Number 7, comparing yourself to people who have played for 10 years. This one almost made me quit, honestly. You open YouTube, some kid is shredding, some guy is playing Master of Puppets perfectly, somebody else is sweeping at light speed, and suddenly you feel like you suck. But what you don't see is the thousands of hours behind that. You don't see the mistakes, you don't see the years, you only see the finished product. The truth is, everybody starts somewhere. Every guitarist you've ever looked up to sounded terrible at one point. Even James Hetfield, even Kirk Hammett, even Dimebag. Everybody starts as a beginner. So stop worrying about where someone else is. Focus on being better than you were last month. That's it. That's the game. If you're a beginner guitarist watching this, the biggest thing I want you to remember is this. You do not need perfect gear. You do not need crazy talent. You do not need to practice 8 hours a day. You just need consistency. Play a little bit every day. Learn songs, learn chords, play with other people, and challenge yourself. And eventually, you'll look back and realize you're playing things that used to seem impossible. If you enjoyed the video, let me know what beginner mistakes slowed you down the most. And if you're learning guitar, subscribe because I've got more rock and metal guitar content coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one.